Hi, in this video I will show you what are cookies in PHP, what you have to watch out for when you're using cookies, when you should use cookies, what are the differences between cookies and session. By the way, if you don't know what is session in PHP, I have video about that, and for the end I will show you how you can destroy cookies. Let's start with what are cookies and what you should store inside. So cookies can be accessed throughout all pages, same as session variables, but there are some differences. Biggest difference is that cookies are saved on client computer and session is not. So you probably visited site that uses cookies, and when you go on site like that, you get a little box or something that says, do you accept cookies from this site? And cookies also have time on them for how long they last. Now let me show you how to set a cookie. For this video I created two pages, home and about, and I will first set cookie on home page. This is the one I have opened right now. So when we are setting session, we type global variable session and then name and value, but for cookies we have to use built-in function setcookie. So type setcookie, I will type under header, and PHP tags of course, setcookie, parentheses, because this is a PHP built-in function. This function has multiple parameters. You only have to use 3 of them. First is the name of the cookie, so I will use name, type name in double quotes. Then the next parameter is value we want to store in. I will type Alex, and I will tell you why you shouldn't store names and passwords into cookies. And third parameter is time. To get a current time in PHP, we use time function, so type time in parentheses, and this will get us the current time. And now you want to add plus sign and number of seconds for how long this cookie will last. And 1 hour has 3600 seconds, so I will type 306,000. Now if I leave it like that, that cookie will be destroyed after 1 hour, but I want this cookie for 1 day, so I will multiply this by 24. And this cookie will now last for 1 day. And then after this you should use some more parameters like path and your domain, but if you are a beginner, just leave it like that, and this will work as well. And now you are probably asking yourself, why is saving a name in cookie not secure? As I told you, cookies are saved on personal computer. That means when somebody hacks your computer, he can see all your cookies. And if you have name stored in your cookie and have a database where two can have the same name, you probably save password in cookie as well. And if you do that, hacker can see your name and your password. That's why you should always save row from database, that means ID from user. And you should do the same thing in your session. But cookies are good if you, let's say, you have a shopping website and want to save preferred clothing. You will save some values, and then the next time user comes on your site, he will get some recommendations. And if you want to get value from this cookie, you simply type, let's add new row, and type $, underscore, and cookie. Same as we did with session. And now brackets, and the name of the cookie in quotes. So type name, because we used name of our cookie is this. So if I type here ID, then I have to type ID here as well. And if we type semicolon, and don't forget to echo that, and if we go to our browser and refresh, and if I refresh one more time, I get our cookie. Now we can also use function isSet, same as with session variables. So I will go to my about page, and under header we'll type PHP code, so type PHP tags, then if statement, and isSet and cookie ID. Then if it's set, then I want to echo cookie is set, and in else statement I will paste this, so else and add not. So if I go to my about page, cookie is set. Now if you have a login system with remember me function, you probably want to save user ID in cookie if user checks remember me box, and the next time he comes in, you check if he has the cookie, then he doesn't have to log in one more time. So you're probably wondering, how do we delete cookie? And let's go back to our code. You do that by using same function that you used for setting a cookie. So let me go back to my home page, and type setcookie and then same name as we wrote before, and the value has to be empty. So I will just delete this Alex, so ID because I want to delete cookie ID, and time has to be in the past, so this already happened and cookie gets destroyed. So type function time like we have it right here, and then we just add minus sign instead of plus. So this means this already happened in the past. And here I suggest you to use at least 1 day difference. And if you set time for 1 hour from now on your server, user might be in time zone where this time hasn't happened yet. So I don't suggest you use, for example, just 3600. And this is all for this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and leave a like. If you are a beginner and you are watching YouTube videos about PHP and need some starting boost because you don't know where to start, I'm giving you free PHP beginner course where I will show you basics of PHP like in this video. But you can also skip this part and go straight to building website, where I will show you how you can create awesome website with admin panel, login register system, database. So basically whole dynamic website, and this is also free. Click the link in the description and get your course. And see you guys next time.